A study with findings that exercise is more important to your mental health than money made a splash recently. It did note that there was a diminishing return. Between 30 to 60 minutes a day was ideal. Those that worked out beyond 3 hours a day suffered more than those that weren't that active. Take comfort that you do not need to be a professional athlete to be happy. Build up your endurance with moderate to vigorous aerobic activity or cardio. Use the talk test. Moderate intensity means you're breathing hard but can still have a conversation. You can only say a few words before you have to take a breath. That's vigorous intensity. Include muscle strengthening activity. These are movements that work your muscles as they move against resistance like weights or push-ups. Even heavy gardening with lots of digging and shoveling counts. Increase your flexibility with stretching or yoga to protect yourself from injury and improve your posture. Balance is also a key component of fitness, and this can be as simple as standing on one leg. We live in a society that says more is always better. Let's remember Goldilocks and shift to just right is best.